Who doesn't dream of financial freedom? The good news is you don't need to be born rich or win the lottery to make it happen. It's all about building a solid financial foundation and having a strategic plan. In this video, I'm sharing 7 proven strategies to help you build wealth from scratch. We'll dive deep into each strategy, providing actionable steps to take control of your finances. Let's get started. Building wealth starts with a single step. A small but significant move towards a brighter financial future. Forget about becoming a millionaire overnight. True wealth is built over time with patience and persistence. Focus on developing the right habits and making smart choices with your money. Every decision counts. Set up a budget and track your expenses meticulously. Knowing where your money goes is crucial. Use a spreadsheet, app, or notebook. Choose the tool that works best for you and stick with it. Understand where your money is going and identify areas to cut back. Small savings can lead to big gains. Start investing early, even if it's a small amount. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Time is your greatest asset. The power of compounding works best over long periods. Small, consistent investments add up over time. Avoid lifestyle inflation and keep your spending in check. Maintain your current lifestyle and invest extra income. This strategy can significantly boost your wealth. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires endurance and a long-term perspective. Be patient and stay disciplined. These qualities are essential for financial success. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or compare yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different and unique. The most important thing is to start today. Procrastination is the enemy of wealth building. Take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Every journey begins with a single step. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with dedication and effort. Consistency is key. Now let's move on to the next chapter and explore the power of investing early. It's never too soon to start. Remember, the longer you wait, the harder it will be to catch up. Start now and secure your financial future. Let's talk about compound interest, often called the 8th wonder of the world. It's the process of earning interest on your interest, a game changer for building wealth. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow and getting bigger. Imagine investing $10,000 at age 25 with a 7% annual return. By 65, it grows to over $100,000. Wait until 35 and it only grows to around $43,000. Start early. Even small monthly investments add up over time thanks to compound interest. Popular investment options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Do your research, understand risks, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Investing comes with risks, but diversifying your portfolio minimizes them. Don't let procrastination rob you of the opportunity to harness compound interest. Start investing today, even if it's just a small amount. Your future self will thank you. Now let's move on to the next strategy, building valuable connections through networking. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is a powerful force for your wealth over time. It's not just about the amount you invest, but also about the time you give your investments to grow. The longer your money is invested, the more it can benefit from the magic of compounding. So don't wait. Start now and let compound interest work its magic for you. Whether you're investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate, the key is to start early and stay consistent. Your financial future depends on the decisions you make today. Embrace the power of compound interest and watch your wealth grow exponentially over time. You've heard the saying, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Networking is about building genuine relationships in your industry and beyond. Connect with others, share ideas, and support each other's growth. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops to meet like-minded individuals. Join online networking groups and communities related to your field. Platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook groups provide excellent opportunities. Don't underestimate your existing network. Reach out to friends, family, and colleagues. Let them know about your career aspirations and projects. Networking is a two-way street. Offer your help and support to others. Share your knowledge and connect people in your network. Building a strong network takes time and effort but pays off exponentially. Nurture genuine relationships and provide value to others. Now let's move on to the next strategy: continuous education. Remember, the more you give, the more you'll receive in return. Continuous education is key to staying ahead and adapting to new opportunities. Investing in yourself is crucial for building wealth and achieving long-term success. Never stop learning and expanding your knowledge base. Stay updated with industry trends, explore new skills, and seek knowledge. Reading is an accessible way to expand your knowledge and gain new perspectives. Online courses and workshops offer flexible ways to learn new skills. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare provide vast libraries of courses. Consider advanced degrees or certifications if they align with your career goals. Seek out mentors for their experience, guidance, and support. Embrace a growth mindset and be open to new experiences and challenges. The more you invest in your development, the more equipped you'll be to seize opportunities. Now let's move on to the next strategy: diversifying your income streams. Remember, learning is a lifelong pursuit. Relying on a single income source is risky. Diversify your income streams. Building multiple income streams provides financial security and accelerates wealth creation. Start a side hustle based on your passions and skills. Investing generates passive income and builds wealth over time. Explore different investment options like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Create and sell online courses or digital products if you have specific expertise. Real estate investing can generate passive income and build long-term wealth. Choose opportunities that align with your skills, interests, and available time. Start small and gradually build your portfolio of income-generating assets. Diversifying your income streams enhances financial security and creates freedom. Now let's move on to the next strategy: mastering the art of frugality. Remember, building multiple income streams takes time and effort. Frugality is about being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices. Mastering frugality is essential for building wealth, regardless of your income level. Track your expenses and identify areas to cut back without feeling deprived. Embrace comparison shopping to save money on purchases. Consider buying used or refurbished items whenever possible. Cooking at home is healthier and cheaper than eating out regularly. Find free or low-cost alternatives for entertainment and leisure activities. Frugality is about being resourceful and stretching your budget further. Adopt a mindful approach to spending and embrace frugal habits. Free up more money to invest in your future and achieve your financial goals faster. Now let's move on to the final strategy: long-term planning. Remember, frugality is not about deprivation, it's about resourcefulness. Building wealth requires careful planning, consistent effort, and a long-term perspective. It's not something that happens overnight, but with dedication, it is achievable. Define your financial goals clearly and develop a comprehensive plan to achieve them. This plan should be detailed and tailored to your unique financial situation. Break down long-term goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Set realistic timelines and track your progress regularly. Monitoring your progress helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals and stick to it. A well-planned budget is the foundation of financial success. Track your income and expenses diligently. Knowing where your money goes is crucial for effective financial management. Investing is crucial for long-term financial planning. It allows your money to grow over time, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Explore different investment options and diversify your portfolio. Diversification reduces risk and increases potential returns. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan as needed. Life changes, and so should your financial strategies. Life is unpredictable, so make it a habit to review your plan annually. This ensures that your plan remains relevant and effective. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your long-term goals and remain patient. Remain disciplined with your finances and celebrate your progress. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated. Embrace long-term planning to gain clarity about your financial future. A clear vision helps you stay committed to your goals. Make informed decisions about your money and navigate financial ups and downs with confidence. Knowledge is power in financial planning. Now let's wrap up with some key takeaways and a call to action. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today. We've covered a lot today, from starting small and investing early to networking, continuous education, and long-term planning. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience and discipline. Embrace the strategies we've discussed, take action, and stay committed to your goals. The sooner you start, the better. Don't let procrastination hold you back. Subscribe for more insights and download our free ebook for additional resources. I'm excited to see what you achieve on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, your journey to wealth starts today.